Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Learner Podcast. I'm Anna.
And I'm Tom. We're really happy you're here today.
Today, we're going to talk about our favorite seasons.
Yes, seasons are interesting because each one is very different.
Exactly. And your favorite season can tell a lot about you.
So, Anna, what's your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring. I love when the flowers bloom and the weather is warm but not too hot.
That sounds nice. My favorite season is autumn. I like the cooler weather and the colorful leaves.
Oh, yes. Autumn is beautiful too. The colors are amazing.
And the air feels fresh and clean. I also like wearing cozy sweaters.
I like cozy sweaters too, but in spring, I like wearing light jackets and enjoying the sunshine.
You can describe your favorite season by talking about the weather.
Yes, for example, it is usually warm and sunny in spring.
Or it is cool and windy in autumn.
You can also talk about activities you like in that season.
I like walking in the park and taking photos of the colorful leaves.
I like riding my bike and visiting gardens to see flowers.
Another idea is to talk about food you enjoy in your favorite season.
In spring, I like eating fresh fruits like strawberries and cherries.
In autumn, I like drinking warm tea and eating pumpkin pie.
That's true. Food can make a season even more special.
You can also describe how the season makes you feel.
Spring makes me feel happy and energetic.
Autumn makes me feel calm and relaxed.
You can also talk about holidays or events in that season.
In autumn, there's Halloween and sometimes festivals with lights.
In spring, there are flower festivals and Easter.
Another fun thing is to describe what you wear in your favorite season.
In spring, I usually wear light jackets, jeans, and sneakers.
In autumn, I wear warm sweaters, scarves, and boots.
You can also talk about colors you like in your favorite season.
In autumn, I love brown, orange, and red colors of the leaves.
In spring, I love pink, green, and yellow colors of flowers.
You can even describe sounds in your favorite season.
I like birds singing in spring mornings.
I like the sound of leaves rustling in autumn.
Another thing is to describe activities with friends or family.
In autumn, I like walking in the park with my friends.
In spring, I like having picnics with my family.
You can also imagine a perfect day in your favorite season.
Yes, a perfect spring day for me is riding my bike in the morning and reading a book in the afternoon.
A perfect autumn day for me is walking in the park and drinking hot chocolate.
And listeners, you can try imagining your perfect day too.
Yes, then describe it in English out loud.
You can start simple. My favorite season is spring. I like flowers and warm weather.
Then add more details. I ride my bike, drink juice, and read books in spring.
Small sentences are enough, but more details make it interesting.
You can also compare seasons. I like spring more than winter because it is warm and sunny.
Or, I like autumn more than summer because it is cooler and comfortable.
Talking about your favorite season is fun because you can share feelings, activities, food, colors, and clothes.
And it's also a good way to practice English naturally. I love spring because the flowers bloom everywhere. It feels like the whole world is wearing a colorful dress.
That's a nice way to say it. I think autumn is like nature's fireworks show, all the leaves changing color.
True. And sometimes the wind blows the leaves so hard, it feels like they're attacking me.
I know that feeling. One time a leaf hit me in the face. I swear it had a plan.
Oh no. See, even nature can prank us.
Exactly. And the weather changes make the seasons fun too. Spring is warm but not too hot.
Yes, perfect for wearing light jackets or cute sneakers. No melting under the sun.
And in autumn, I can finally wear my cozy sweaters. Plus, it's okay to drink too much hot chocolate. I call it seasonal exercise.
Seasonal exercise, I like that. I should try that in spring with fruit smoothies.
You know, each season also has special activities. In autumn, I like walking in the park and collecting colorful leaves.
In spring, I love riding my bike and visiting gardens full of flowers.
And of course, every season has its perks when it comes to food. Autumn means pumpkin pie. I mean, who can say no?
Right. Spring means fresh fruits like strawberries. I eat so many, I feel like a strawberry myself.
Watch out, don't roll away.
Very funny, Tom. And holidays make the seasons even better.
Halloween in autumn is my favorite. Dressing up and eating candy, best day ever.
I like Easter in spring, egg hunts, chocolate, and pretending I'm a professional egg detective.
I can imagine that. Maybe the eggs are hiding because they don't want to be eaten.
Exactly. And little things like sounds and smells make a season special too. Birds singing, leaves rustling, warm drinks, flowers, everything.
Yes, and sharing stories is even better. Like one day in autumn, I slipped on a wet leaf and fell straight into a puddle.
That's classic autumn experience. I once got chased by a bee while picking flowers in spring.
See? Seasons are not only beautiful, they're funny too.
And listeners, you can try this at home. Think about your favorite season and tell a short, funny story about it.
Even one sentence counts. A leaf hit me in the face in autumn, or a bee chased me in spring.
You can describe the weather, colors, clothes, food, and even pets. Anything that makes the season yours.
Comparing seasons is fun too. I like autumn more than summer because I don't melt in the sun.
Or, I like spring more than winter because I don't have to wear 10 layers of clothes.
Small sentences are enough, but adding little jokes makes it more lively.
And practicing this makes your English sound natural, confident, and fun.
Plus, it gives you ready-to-use stories to tell your friends. Guess what happened in my favorite season today?
Exactly. And if your friends laugh, you know your English worked perfectly. You know, Tom, spring mornings are my favorite. The sun is warm, the air is fresh, and sometimes I feel like I could just float away.
Float away? I feel the same in autumn, except I feel like I'm wrapped in a giant cozy blanket.
Cozy blanket is perfect. And it's true, I always want to drink tea and eat something sweet.
Same. I sometimes pretend I'm a professional leaf watcher. It's a serious job, you know.
Professional leaf watcher. Do you get paid in leaves?
Only the fancy ones. The red and gold ones count as premium.
I'm officially a flower sniffer in spring. My reward? The smell of roses.
That's a tough competition. We might need a spring-autumn championship.
Yes. Listeners, you can try this too. Give yourself a funny title for your favorite season.
Sun Chaser for summer, Snow Explorer for winter, and don't forget Leaf Ninja for autumn.
I like that. And talking about clothing is fun too. In spring, I love light jackets and sneakers. No layers, no onions.
Onions. In autumn, I pile on sweaters, scarves, and boots. I call it fashionable onion mode.
I love that term. And food in each season is amazing too. I eat strawberries in spring until I feel like a human strawberry.
In autumn, I drink so much pumpkin spice latte I might float away.
Don't float into a leaf pile. That's a perfect story to tell.
Exactly. And listeners, these little funny stories make your English more natural.
Another thing I love is outdoor activities. In spring, I ride my bike and sometimes have picnics in the park.
In autumn, I like taking long walks and taking photos of the colorful leaves. It feels magical.
You can describe small details too. I love the sound of birds singing in spring.
And I love the rustling of leaves in autumn. Little things like that make your description vivid.
You can even describe pets in the season. My cat loves sitting in the sunlight in spring.
My dog rolls in the leaves in autumn. Sometimes I think he's decorating the yard.
That's funny. These stories make your English more playful.
Another idea is fun holidays and events. I love Halloween. Dressing up and eating candy is the best.
And I love Easter in spring. Hiding and finding eggs makes me feel like a detective.
Maybe the eggs are hiding because they don't want to be eaten.
Exactly. You can tell funny little stories about holidays in your season.
You can also describe your favorite time of the day. In autumn, evenings are my favorite. Quiet, cool, and perfect for reading.
In spring, I love mornings. The sunlight is soft and everything feels new.
And feelings are important too. I feel relaxed in autumn, or I feel happy in spring.
Yes! Listeners, try adding your feelings. Even one word makes a sentence more lively.
Comparing seasons is fun too. I like autumn more than summer because it's cooler.
Or, I like spring more than winter because it's colorful and sunny.
And you can add jokes, like I slipped on a leaf in autumn, or a bee chased me in spring.
Funny little stories like that make your English more natural and human.
You can also imagine a perfect day. In autumn, I walk in the park, drink hot chocolate, and read a book.
In spring, I ride my bike, visit flower gardens, and drink fresh juice.
You can describe your perfect day in English and even share it with friends.
Yes, add little jokes or playful moments. It makes your story more memorable.
Another fun idea is to pretend you are in a movie scene. In autumn, I imagine the leaves falling perfectly around me.
In spring, I imagine the flowers talking to me. Water me, please, or don't pick me.
Flowers talking. I love that. Listeners, you can try imagining funny or magical things in your season too.
And it's great practice. You can describe the weather, colors, food, clothes, activities, and even pets.
Yes, the more details you add, the longer and more interesting your English becomes.
And don't forget, even small sentences are okay. I like spring. I ride my bike. I eat strawberries.
Then add details. The flowers are pink and yellow, the birds are singing, the air smells fresh.
And if you make a little joke like, I almost got chased by a bee, it makes your story lively and fun.
Exactly. Listeners, you can practice describing your favorite season every day, and soon it will become easy and natural.
Little by little, your sentences will get longer, funnier, and more colorful.
And you'll feel confident telling stories about your season to friends or teachers.
Yes, seasons are not just about weather. They're about feelings, fun moments, and little adventures.
So, pick your favorite season, add details, jokes, stories, and imagination. You'll sound like a natural English speaker in no time.
Tom, before we finish, one fun way to wrap up is to imagine a little story in your favorite season.
Oh, yes. I like imagining that in autumn, the leaves are so colorful, they start a parade, and I'm the grand marshal.
I love that. In spring, I imagine flowers singing a welcome song every time I ride my bike.
That's amazing. Little stories like that make describing a season so much fun.
And listeners, you can do the same. Pretend something funny or magical happens in your favorite season and describe it in English.
Even a small sentence works. The flowers sang at me in spring. Or a leaf attacked me in autumn.
Another tip is to describe your perfect season outfit.
In autumn, I wear a big sweater, scarf, and my lucky boots. They protect me from falling leaves, of course.
Good idea. In spring, I wear my favorite light jacket and sneakers, perfect for chasing flowers or avoiding bees.
And don't forget food. I like pumpkin pie and hot chocolate in autumn. It's basically essential.
And I love fresh fruits like strawberries and cherries in spring. I could eat them all day.
You can also describe fun activities with friends or family.
Yes, riding bikes, walking in the park, or having a picnic.
Or going to a festival or a fair. Little details like that make your story interesting.
And feelings are important too. I feel happy in spring, or I feel calm in autumn.
Even just adding one feeling word makes your sentences alive.
Another idea is to compare seasons. I like spring more than winter because it's warm and colorful.
Or I like autumn more than summer because it's cool and cozy.
And you can add little jokes. I almost got chased by a bee in spring, or I slipped on a leaf in autumn.
Yes, that makes your English lively and fun to listen to.
And listeners, practicing your favorite season every day is a great way to improve speaking.
Try describing the weather, activities, food, colors, clothes, feelings, and little funny stories.
Even small sentences are okay. You can start simple and then add details gradually.
And the more details you add, the more natural your English becomes.
Seasons are not just about weather. They're about fun, feelings, and little adventures.
Exactly. So pick your favorite season and start telling stories in English today.
Thank you so much for listening to this episode about talking about your favorite season.
Yes, we hope you enjoyed it, had fun, and maybe even laughed a little.
Don't forget to subscribe to our podcast on YouTube so you won't miss our next episode.
And share it with your friends who want to practice English too.
We'll see you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.